back to my channel. And for all my new subscribers, my name is Dolores and I'm better known as the Baking Diva. Well, you probably saw my thumbnail and said, what the heck is she up to now? Special announcement. Well, it's nothing bad, I'll tell you that right off. I absolutely love making my YouTube videos. They just give me so much joy, and I've met so many people. And no, I'm not giving up my channel, so don't worry about that. I wanted you to know that I'm going to start a second channel. And I'll tell you why. And it's not going to affect my Baking Diva channel at all. That will be continuing exactly as it is. But I'll tell you, I have become obsessed with my air fryer. I have fallen in love with my air fryer. I use it practically every other day. I experiment. I try new things. I am totally amazed at what you can make in that air fryer. Comes out better, it's healthier, and less time. So I'm obsessed with it. So I want to start posting some air fryer recipes, but I don't want to overload my Baking Diva channel with all air fryer recipes. I mean, I like to bake on that channel. I like to entertain you a little bit with maybe holidays, vacations, special events, and I don't want to start pushing that back and just doing air fryer recipes. So I decided I want to start a second channel. I'm going to give it a try, and I'm calling it Air Fryer Recipes 101. It's going to be for those beginner air fryer users, some that are learning, and some that don't even have an air fryer but want to buy one or are thinking of buying one. After all, the holidays are coming up. And I'll tell you how this started with me. I had an air fryer. I'm not even going to mention the brand. I had it quite a while ago. Honestly, did not like it at all. Did not like the way it was cooking the food. So I sold it at a yard sale. Then I got this idea that I wanted an air fryer that didn't have sort of a basket, that had the shelves on it, and I could put more on there. So I bought one that was like, I think like a 3-in-1. You could do air frying, you could do slow cooking, and I forgot there was something else you could do. Well, the air frying was so-so, but the slow cooking was terrible. It was like either one was good and the other wasn't. And when I was doing my slow cooking in there, the stuff was cooking too high, getting ruined. I couldn't regulate the temperature. So what did the Diva do? She sold that one. Now I have one that I have absolutely fallen in love with. It's so easy. I'm not a big techie person. I don't want one with 25 buttons on it and all these things. I just want something simple. Something simple that I can do beep, 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 and it works. And that's what I have now. So for those of you that are subscribers of mine now and maybe enjoy my channel, and you either have an air fryer, you're thinking of getting an air fryer, you know someone that has an air fryer, I'm going to put the channel name, Air Frying Recipes 101, down below in my description box with the link. And I would love it if you follow me over and subscribe to my channel. That'll kind of give me a head start because, you know, it takes a while to get another channel to grow. It sure as heck took me a long time to get this one where it is. So anyway, that's really all I wanted to say. You know, I really love being on YouTube. I love meeting everybody. I love putting out my videos. I even like editing. It's become a favorite pastime of mine. It's a little tedious at times and it takes quite a while, but it's fun. So anyway, no, I'm not giving up my channel. Stay right where you are. I'm still the Baking Diva and you'll still have all the same things from me that you always have. But if you're interested in any air frying, The link is down below to my new channel, and I'd love to have you come over. Okay? So that's my big announcement. Nothing bad. I guess, what do they say? No news is good news, but I hope in this case it will be. And I can't wait to get started. It's going to be a lot of fun. My hubby keeps looking at me, shaking his head like, "You're air frying again?" And I just laugh. Tastes good, doesn't it? It's quick, little mess up. And I love the fact that you can take so many frozen foods that you would normally put in an oven or a toaster oven and just whoop, put them in that air fryer, and 1, 2, 3, they're done. So anyway, thanks for listening to me, blah, blah, blah. You know I love you all. Follow me on my channel. I'd love to have you. And I will see you all very soon right here